Hi, everyone. Yeah, I think I will probably introduce myself once again. And I'm Nick. I'm the founder of Mellow, and we're building the system for launching structured products with on-chain yields. I will try to keep it short today. So when we speak about crypto and when we compare it with financial sector, it's a teardrop in the ocean compared to TradFi and fintechs. And right now we're seeing the blend of TradFi and crypto, and basically fintechs are moving on chain, and they're moving on chain because of efficiency, operational efficiency, because of composability, and some very basic features that we have as an ecosystem. And one of the key things here is that the infrastructure right now, it's kind of outdated. It's not bad, it's really good and robust in fintech and TradFi, but it's something that was built like 30 years ago, 40 years ago, or even before that. And this slows the innovation, this slows building and launching new products. That's why transition to on-chain is happening right now in fintech. And we already have all the rails for fintech. Maybe several years ago, we were not ready as an industry. But right now, we already have all the stack in the vertical. So we have EVM rollups, we have bridges, we have RPC nodes, we have all the infrastructure that they need on the base layer. And also on the protocol level, we have lots of products that can be utilized already or that can be reused in TradFi systems. So it's under-collateralized lending markets, it's stablecoins, AMMs, RWAs, insurance mechanisms, and lots of other things that we already built in the space. And fintech is basically becoming crypto, or crypto is becoming fintech. It's something that's merged right now. It's already cracking Robinhood, Coinbase, Stripe, other teams launching their own L2s, launching their own protocols or using existing protocols. And one of the key topics here is risk management, the thing that we were just discussing on the panel. And risk management is the first thing that comes up when institutions are going on chain or if they're starting building any kind of financial product. So in this case, structured products, they start making even more sense because it's something that combines risk profiles and enables building different yield and risk profiles. And that's what we're providing as a system. That's what we're doing at Mellow. We're building the system for structured products with on-chain yield. In this case, also, we have the model where we have different curators or asset managers who are building those profiles. And today, we have lots of good teams on-chain who focus on specifically on-chain strategies. But tomorrow, we'll see more teams coming from TradFi, and those teams will be building their own risk profiles, or they will be working with existing curators to build their products. We're building the stack for the next trillion assets on chain, and it's the system where we have sets of smart contracts that helps that help to allocate into different protocols and help to rebalance liquidity, help to monitor the risks, and simplify things for the end user. And let's say Revolut is going on chain. At some point, if they will have their own L2 or they will work with some existing L1 or L2, they will need to simplify things for the end user because I think it's very few retail users who really understand the risk or who can really deal with the complexity of DeFi. So we need to abstract this complexity away and to bring the products where there could be one-click deposits into really complex strategies with lots of underlying protocols. We already work with different asset managers, fintechs, hedge funds, asset issuers. We work with almost all the major node operators. And right now, we see more and more interest in vaults and in what's happening in DeFi from fintechs. And we work with Lida, with Symbiotic, Eigenlayer, Athena, Flow Traders, and all those teams. They're looking right now into building more products with on-chain yields and also working with distribution. And right now, distribution channels, it's mostly around wallets, earn programs on exchanges and things like that. But tomorrow also it will be banking applications, it will be different custodies working with TradFi, and basically the stack that we are providing, it's something that fully abstracts away complexity of DeFi for the end users who are working with those platforms or applications. Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.